Happy Friday, everybody. True blue, working out, trying to close this 30-minute ring. I have been doing this Apple Watch thing as a way to just try to stay healthy without rattling my brain and setting myself up to fail. I'm not in my life where I'm great and excited to go to the gym for 60 minutes, so 30 minutes was my compromise. You're gonna be seeing my ceiling, right, in the master bedroom, morning mindset. So I came to you today. I'm going to say the morning mindsets out loud. I'll give you what my answer would be in hopes that it'll help you see. It's not about complication, it's about simplicity, because it's about setting your mind and your mindset for success, right? So with that said, cloth and paper is where I got this morning mindset from. Simple, easy. I keep it in my Moterm A5 in the back pocket for all my lady gals, right here in this pocket. So here we go, let's jump on in. Number one, what is the big picture for today? My personal big picture for today is that I complete stage one of getting my office from downstairs to upstairs so we can start working on converting my home office downstairs into the 5 and 3-year-olds playhouse, playroom, whatever, right? Number two, who am I looking forward to seeing or talking to? Today, I am looking forward to talking to a couple people I connected with yesterday through my social media that I've never met, and we are working to schedule a Zoom coffee date. Super thrilled. Number three, what project will I work on today that I will be proud to be a part of? That project, number one, I'm getting the website established. I've been doing our website slowly but surely. So website to introduce our team to the entire market or anybody that refers us our way, right? The other part of that is with my big picture, my office. Okay, I am so excited because the sooner I can get that project done, the more I can continue being the best leader I can for my team and the best kick-ass realtor I can be for my clients. Number four, what healthy choices can I make for my body today? Working out on the treadmill for 30 minutes to close my ring and drinking at least a glass of water. Number five, what value will I add to my colleagues or team today? Well, what I did is I posted first thing this morning, how can I pray for you? What do you need prayer for? Let's encourage each other, let's be there. Number six, what will I do if I'm faced with a problem today? If I'm faced with a problem today, I need to time out, take a breather, go get some coffee if I need to, but do not veer off the course just because I had a problem. Let's continue getting to the finish line. So I hope that shows you morning mindset. Even all my jibber jabber was 3 minutes and 5 seconds. That means it'll take you a lot less. And as you get these going day to day, it's gonna start getting easier and easier. Use that. If you're not a planner, use this as your checklist. Was I successful or not, right? What did I learn? How did I fail forward? How did I fail backwards? And if you are a planner, this is a great way to just feel so fulfilled where you can start marking things off. Yeah, I had those conversations. Yes, I worked on that project. Yes, I chipped it away. Yes, I had that glass of water. So with that said, I am at 7:59, almost 8 minutes on this damn ring. And I hope you guys have an awesome Friday. I'll have some new videos out. I don't know if over the weekend or next week, but let's continue rocking and rolling. I see you. I love you. If you guys need anything, encouragement, prayer, kick in the ass, have a certain topic you want me to cover about life, motherhood, business, entrepreneurship, struggles, depression, anxiety, whatever it is, pens, highlighters, Post-its, you just let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.